Learning to focus can significantly improve productivity, comprehension, and overall performance in various aspects of life. Here are 5 steps to help improve your focus. Set clear goals. Know what you want to accomplish. Having a clear objective gives you a specific target to focus on, which can help prevent your mind from wandering. Eliminate distractions. Identify potential distractions in your environment and take steps to minimize them. This might involve clearing your workspace, turning off notifications on your devices, or using noise-canceling headphones to block out background noise. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the act of focusing completely on the present moment. You can cultivate mindfulness through practices like meditation, mindful eating, or simply paying more attention to your daily activities. Over time, this can improve your ability to focus. Take regular breaks. Trying to focus for extended periods can lead to mental fatigue. The Pomodoro technique, for example, suggests focusing on a task for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. This can help maintain high levels of focus without burning out. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and sufficient sleep can significantly improve your ability to focus. Try to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine, eat a balanced diet, and ensure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Improving focus is a gradual process, and it's normal to face some challenges along the way. Be patient with yourself and remember that even small improvements can have a significant impact over time.